Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon.
Cyril Amachal Mangaldas has today announced the adoption of its permanent dynamic working policy that allows lawyers to work in a combination of on-site and off-site modes of work. Cyril Amachal Mangaldas also becomes the first law firm in the country to have taken this step, which will change the way lawyers work in the future. Today, we have with us Mr. Cyril Shroff, the managing partner of Cyril Amachan Mangaldas, to talk about this game changing step and also about the models the firm has adopted to implement this policy. Thank you, Mr. Shroff, for joining us today.
Thank you, Pallavi, for this opportunity. So we just rolled out this new policy a few hours ago in the firm, and it is truly seen as within the firm itself as transformational and path-breaking. And I think this will reverberate not only in the Indian legal market but globally, because not too many firms globally have yet come to this decision point. So I'm sure many of them are thinking about it. Just a few reasons on why we did it. So the reason, of course, was the fact that this is the future of work. 2030 has arrived in 2020, accelerated by the pandemic. This would inevitably have happened at some stage in the future, but it just happened suddenly. And with the increased acceptance of remote working by the entire market, this was kind of obvious and staring us in the face. So we decided to be bold and decided to go ahead with it. Based on several weeks of research, we conducted multiple surveys, spoke to dozens of people in the office across levels, and that's how we came to this decision. We also took a lot of external advice from experts, not only in consulting, but also in the technology space as well. So it's a very, very well thought through decision, which with months of effort behind it. The 5 models are intended to give complete flexibility. So model 1 is the work from office model, which is kind of the traditional model where the when and the where are that you come to office, work for during office hours, and then you go home, and then your entire colleagues and your infrastructure is around you. I don't think it's going out of fashion. I think it will be the minority option, but it's still going to be there. And certain practices like litigation may have to use this more than others. The second option, which is the hybrid option, is the game changer option, where we have called it a dynamic hybrid option because what it postulates is that you have to come to work 1 day a week to office, and a minimum of 1 day you compulsorily have to work from home. And the other 3 days in the week, you can play around in consulting. You can do 4 work from home and 1 work from office. You can do 4 work from office and 1 from home, 3, 2, 2, 3, whatever works. And you have to finalize it with your team. And this is available not only to all our lawyers, but to many of our business service professionals as well, who can work on a screen. Certain manual tasks, obviously, you can't do from home. So we think that at least about 2/3 of the firm will move to this model, and that's what the survey said as well. The survey wanted 80% of the people surveyed wanted a flexible model. The third model is a short-term work from anywhere model, WFA. The difference in WFA and WFH is that you don't even need to come to office 1 day a week, and you could be working from your village, or you could be working from a place where you don't have an office, so long as you have Wi-Fi and you have a professional environment in which you can work as per our policies. We will have a lot of policies in terms of the work environment, the background, private room, confidentiality, all of that. So the short-term option is available for a period of 6 months during any period of 5 years, especially where you have a situation. It could be a family situation, elder care, children, etc., etc. And you can exercise this option once every 5 years. The fourth option is more long-term, which is a permanent long-term work from anywhere. You could, for the rest of your life, work from anywhere where we don't have an office. You don't need to come to work, and you work from, you could work from your village. Obviously, this is will be used few and far between because it's a discretionary thing. But I expect that about 5 to 7% of our workforce will be in a work from anywhere option. And the last and the fifth option is what I call the flexi option, This is a very gig-like in terms of the engagement model, where lawyers with experience, most likely our alumni, can come in for a period of 6 months, 1 year, short-term periods essentially, or even maybe it could be even a bit longer for specific jobs. They come onto our system, onto our IT system. So for the duration of the contract, they are part of us. And we would use it for kind of attracting special talent with special skills, and also where we have ups and downs in terms of availability of lawyers as well, to fill in short-term troughs as well. So between these 4 or 5 options, I think you cover the universe. I can't imagine anything kind of beyond that, because everything is custom made. There's a lot of managerial role that will come on it, but this is the future of work, and we are very excited about it. So I can talk a little bit about the challenges. I think we will make this successful, but behind this, there lies a lot of policy thinking. So we are rewriting a lot of our policies, contracts, everything. There's a lot of technology involved, and big technology investments, both on hardware and software, and a lot of training, because we have to train both our partners as well as associates on how to do this well. Wellness is a very important issue, because in this remote working, the boundaries between work and personal life have got blurred. So we are inducting this as a big part of the training for it as well. So every partner, including myself, will have to undergo training to make this happen.
And when you refer to your fourth model where work from anywhere, where you
Anyway,
don't have an office, does it mean that you're looking to cut down on real estate?
so that's not the main reason. I think that will be the inevitable effect of it. And we are actually trying this with Chennai and Hyderabad right away, where from 1st of January, we are moving to a work from anywhere model in these 2 cities. So we will give up our lease in both these cities. But the workforce will still remain, and our market presence will still remain.
And in terms of clients, you have discussed this model with, I'm sure, some of your clients. And anyway, the firm has been working remotely. So are your clients concerned about security, confidentiality?
They love this model. They think this is the future of work. Even after, in the last 2 hours after your article was published, I've got at least 5 messages from top GCs saying this is brilliant. They are, of course, worried about confidentiality, but I am more worried about it. And I think we are already sort of working with cybersecurity specialists to make our systems strong. And, it's not as if in the work from office model, it's not a risk. It's a risk in whichever model. It's not as if the cybersecurity risks don't exist when you're working from office.
And could you give us some more information in terms of technology that the firm has adopted to put this whole system into process?
Yeah, so I think there is a technology that we have used in the past and are currently using, and then there is technology that is yet to come. So we have been on a cloud environment for over 10 years. We are using Citrix, which is one of the most secure platforms. A lot of our meetings are held on secure platforms. We are tightening the entire network in terms of creating what's called a container method, where every instrument will become a extension of the container, the tech container of the office. Going forward, we are sort of evaluating a lot of technologies on collaboration, on joint working, where you can mark up a document simultaneously, where you can have a sort of a virtual whiteboard where you can explore ideas virtually on it. There is a lot of software and products that are available for creating virtual water cooler moments. So there are about 40 or 50 sort of topics on which we are looking at software. We are going through it. There's a team of people talking to vendors as well in terms of what is to be created. So our aim is to create one of the world's most modern and talent-friendly work environment.
Is there any other things you would like to add?
No, I think I think 50% of the job has been done. The balance 50% is the execution, but the firm is all charged up to do it, and they know how complicated this topic is. It's the wrong way of looking at it is a mere extension of what we have done for the last 7 months. It is anything but that. There is a lot of long-term infrastructure and investment that you need to make this come alive. And for my professional peers who are watching this, my recommendation is that please embrace this as well. Let's change the industry.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon.